Hey everyone, so it's like day 8 or something, and I just wanted to make another video because I haven't. The bottom down there is food. They're most at the top because that's where the food's at. But they've gotten a lot bigger since my last video. Some of them have grown long tails. I don't know where they're at though. And some of them are just like that. So I've had them for 8 days. Or I put the eggs in on the last week of last week of August on Thursday. See longtails. Longtail. But yeah, and then I fed them on Monday. The first week of September, Monday. And then I fed them, and then you feed them every 2 days, or you feed them on the second day, so I fed them yesterday, and there's longtail. But you feed them every 2 days, so I fed them Wednesday, and then I'm going to feed them Friday. So I just wanted to update you guys on it, and that's how big they've gotten. So yeah.